Well, hello everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's kind of late right now for me. It's probably about 6 o'clock. I know it's kind of a late vlog for me, but I might try to get this video on tonight or tomorrow. I got a show on that starts at 8 o'clock. It's a 2 hour. I watched that Big Fat Fabulous Life, and it's on tonight, and I've been watching it, so. Bear with me, I'll try to get it up tonight. If not, the video will be up tomorrow. What have I been up to today? Oh yeah. My son plays that Roblox, and for some reason I was in there, putting my account information to give him money for Roblox, and for some reason it kept saying my bank was like declining it. Well, I called my bank and they said that they haven't received any kind of decline or anything or whatever. So I went ahead and I figured, well, maybe I need to reset his computer. So I went and I reset his computer, and it was still saying that. So I was like, you know what if I just logged him out? Which I should not have done because I do not remember what his password or what email we used for his account. So right now I am like freaking out and hope that Roblox gets a hold of me soon so I can get his character back on there, because right now he's suffering and he wants his person back. And I'd hate for him to have to start all over for a new character. So I just hope they can fix that problem. But I've been dealing with that all day, trying to get a hold of them, which is only through email. They haven't emailed me back. And I'm getting anxious. And I'm freaking out about it. But anyway, something good happened today. I got an order right here, and I wanted to show you what I got in the box. It's from Avon. I ordered from Adrienne Curry. I don't know if you know her. She was like she won like on American's Top Model, like the very first one she won. But anyway, I ordered from her, and this box came pretty quick. I mean, I just ordered this not too long ago, and it's already here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. I went ahead and opened the top, but that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and pull you down here so you can see. Okay. Can you see it? Or you don't. It's kind of hard on my bed. Okay. And here is the box. I hope this does not fall. Wish I had something sturdy to keep that down. Okay. Let's look in the box. Okay, this is just a little receipt. Got information, but you don't need that. Oh, that's cute. Some cute little packaging there. I hate to ruin it. I hate to ruin it. There's some poppies. These are poppies. Oh, okay. Got an Avon book for future ordering. Let's see what else. I got some foot cream. Footworks from Avon. Here, I'm gonna move me back up here. Okay. I got the Footworks. I hope it works, because I like to, my feet gets cracked and stuff like that, and I need to take care of my feet. So everybody should. It smells like minty, like. It smells really, really good. Nice. Okay. Then I got, this is another foot thing. It's for like peeling. If you got peeling on the back of your heels, I guess it's supposed to help prevent that. Feels like pads or something in there. Oh, open. I just want to smell it. Yeah, they're like little pads. Go on. That smells really, really good. I didn't pay very much for this stuff either. Avon's pretty cheap. That's why I was like, cool. Like, if you go on them other websites, they're kind of expensive. Okay. I got like an eyeshadow. I'll show you what the color looks like real quick. It was look pretty cool in the ad, so let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm gonna have to try that on. It's got a little shimmer to it. And I got me an eye liquid eyeliner. And I got me some bubble bath. Because I like taking a bubble bath sometimes. I like to soak in my bath. It was really good. It's cherry blossom. This thing's pretty big. I think I got this for, I think it was, see how much this was. Bubbles. What was that? Oh, it was like $5.99. Not bad. So maybe I'll be taking me a nice warm bath tonight in this stuff. I love bubbles. So that's all I got. I'm hoping to buy more stuff from them. I only spent like $30. And I got all this stuff. So if I got this from somewhere else, it'd be 50, close to 100 maybe. So, but yeah, if you want to order Avon, look up Adrienne Curry if you don't have her on Facebook, and she's got her website on through her page. I think you go on there and you click shop or whatever, and you get a nice little book. They got all kinds of stuff in there. So that's who I ordered off of. So that's about it. Ooh, that's pretty. Some watches. Got some watches. And bracelet. Ooh, pretty. What else they got pretty in here? They got like body creams and stuff like that. Pretty cool. I sold Avon one time. I kind of want to go back to them, but we'll see. Ooh, they got like a moisturizing therapy, healing repair. I'm assuming it's for your hair. All kinds of stuff. Therapy stuff. Pretty cheap too. Hi, buddy. What you doing, buddy? 3-step for full body hair. Ooh. I might want to get that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I've been wanting to, I see on Facebook that they have those those beauty boxes or whatever. It's like 39 or 40 bucks a month, I think, and you get like all this stuff in a month. I think it's like $200 worth. Kind of wanted to try that because I like getting stuff in the mail, and maybe I want to do that. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I got in this Avon box, and I just wanted to show you that. So I know it's gonna be a short vlog, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. So if you like this video, hit thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, that's about it. And also, in the link, I've been posting my Facebook page, so you can go on there, and I have future videos I've been posting on there if you want to check that out too, or join the group, whatever. So, yeah, talk to you later. Bye.